Hello, good morning. This is advanced problem, paper 2, 2025. Take a look at the problem. Let us denote the locus of point of intersection of the pair of lines. 4x minus 3y is equal to 12 alpha, 4 alpha x plus 3 alpha y is equal to 12, where alpha varies over the set of non-zero real numbers. Let t be the tangent to S passing through the points P0 and 0Q. Q is positive. And parallel to the lines 4x minus 3 by root 2y equal to 0. And the value of PQ is. First, consider the given lines. Say this is first equation. And next equation, 4 alpha x plus 3 alpha y equal to 12. From this, take alpha as a common factor. 4x plus 3y is equal to 12 by alpha, say second equation. Now, we are going to solve this first and second equations. Okay, I'm adding first equation and second equations together. Then I got 4x, 8x is equal to 12 is a common factor. Alpha plus 1 by alpha. 12 and 8 got cancelled. So 2x is equal to 3 times of alpha plus 1 by alpha. And 2x by 3 equal to 2x by 3 equal to alpha plus 1 by alpha. And next, we are first equation minus second equation. 4x got cancelled. Minus 6y is equal to 12 alpha minus 12 by alpha. So minus 6y is equal to 12 is a common factor, alpha minus 1 by alpha. So minus y by 2 equal to alpha minus 1 by alpha. Next, we will consider to get the locus alpha plus 1 by alpha whole square minus alpha minus 1 by alpha whole square for getting locus. Okay. So this value is 2x by 3 whole square minus y by 2 whole square equal to 4. And this value is 4x square by 9 minus y square by 4 equal to 4. Now divide with this 4. So then it will be 4x square by 9 into 4 minus y square by 4 into 4 equal to 1. 4 cancel. X square by 9 minus y square by 16 equal to 1. So comparing with hyperbola, because this is hyperbola. Hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. We get a square equal to 9 and b square is equal to 16. So for this hyperbola, any tangent will be y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square minus b square. So this value is, we will consider plus because he set all positive values. A square is 9 m square minus 16. And this tangent parallel to, and it is parallel to 4x minus 2 by root 3y is equal to 0. 3 by root 2. So that is 4x is equal to 3 by root 2 into y, and y is equal to 4 root 2 by 3 into x. So So m value is equal to 4 root 2 by 3 because since it is parallel, m value should be equal. Therefore, tangent y is equal to 4 root 2 by 3 into x plus root of 9 4 root 2 by 3 whole square minus 16. So y is equal to 4 root 2 by 3 into x plus this 9 got cancelled. 32 minus 16 is 16. So y is equal to 4 root 2 by 3 into x plus 4. And this tangent passing through p comma 0 and 0 comma q. Since it passes through p comma 0, so 0 is equal to 4 root 2 by 3 into p plus 4. This implies 4 root 2 by 3 into p is equal to minus 4. 4 got cancelled. This implies p is equal to minus 3 by root 2. And also it passes through 0 comma q. So q is equal to 0 plus 4 implies q is equal to 4. Now we need the product of p and q. So pq is equal to minus 3 by root 2 into 4. 4 and root 2 cancel 2 root 2 times. So of course it is minus 6 root 2 be the answer for this question. Thanks for watching and please share it if you like. If you understand, if you have any doubts, please comment on it, comment section. Thank you.